Hey, foodies, day 2's on the plate, and we're diving deep into a bowl of Greek yogurt with mixed berries, tasty and healthy. For this delightful bowl, grab 1 cup of Greek yogurt, half a cup of mixed berries, because why settle for one type of berry when you can have them all? 2 tablespoons of honey, and yes, that's the sweet spot. 2 tablespoons of those crunchy walnuts. Now, let's get this breakfast party started. Greek yogurt front and center in your bowl. Shower it with those berries. The more, the berrier. A honey drizzle, because why not? Finish with walnuts for that crunch we all crave. Delicious, nutritious, and, did I mention delicious, packed with protein, antioxidants, and your daily dose of yummy. And before you dash off to devour that bowl, hit that subscribe button. Why? Because we're your go-to spot for tips on intermittent fasting, the Mediterranean diet, and weight loss. Also, don't forget to like. After all, good food, great tips, and your love, that's the perfect recipe.